Hello, Kelly P&R Specialties again. We're working on, what is it, Kyle?
It is a 2011 Dodge Charger, used to be a Cop Interceptor model.
Brad in there is going to give us a before. You swear you're excited. Before sound shot. We're going to do Flowmaster Exhaust and Mopar Performance cold air intake. So let me screw my little butt around the back here. Start this beast up, Brad. This is a Hemi car. So, whoa. Oh man, don't be so mean. Run it. Hit it. Woo. Do it again. I don't know. That's a lot of horse torques. We might not be able to make it better. All right.
Pretty scared.
Crack the hood. As you can see, it's bone stock OSP. Or you can stay police for the rest of you. Forever! Woo! Hit it again! Yep, that's all we got to work with. But, she's a Hemi. Flowmaster Exhaust and box over there, Mopar Performance intake. Cop car. We just did the Mopar Performance air intake. Only thing it didn't come with was that was easy button.
That was easy.
It was that easy. Brad's gonna give it a start. We'll see if it makes noise up front. Yep. There you go. Go ahead and start it, Brad.